Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. Yesterday, the Nifty went up 300 points, came down by 300 points. Yesterday, the US markets closed once again very firmly higher. I think all major indices are up more than 1%. So, therefore, there was a positive reaction from Asian markets. And today, it was relatively a stable trading day. There was a gap up and then markets continued to move higher. And I told you the GIFT Nifty has not been a true reflection. In the morning, it was showing about 80, 90 point higher, but Nifty ended up 250 point higher. Now, there are few significant things in today's trade. And number one, on a closing basis, so this is the first time Nifty is closing above 25,200 in the June series. Forget about the June series, even before that also. Last year, October beginning, the selling started from 26,300, 26,270, something like that. From there, it went all the way to 21,750, something like that. It's below 22,000. It was a very major fall, more than 4,000 points. Now, the process of recovery. And now we are roughly about 4% away from all-time high. However, the Bank Nifty has already crossed all-time high. It means when I say all-time high, the last year September high. After breaking out, it is just consolidating. So there is no big move in Bank Nifty. In fact, today, the Bank Nifty has actually underperformed. It is the IT index that did very well today. Probably the Nasdaq is doing very well. Technology stocks are doing very well in US also. US markets will be even more volatile. There's this stock called Meta platform. There's a Facebook. Just after president election, it was about 700 plus. Then Trump tariff, from 700 plus, it came to 500. Now again, it has come back to 700 plus. So that was about 40% fall and 40% rise, 80% move. Our markets, luckily, not that volatile. So now the process of the recovery is on. Today, like tomorrow, our June series will be coming to an end. The next month will be July series. So July series is a 5-week series. Plus, corporate results are there. So usually, the 5-week series with the corporate results tend to be more volatile. But look at how bullish the markets are. 26,270 is the all-time high. And 26,300 call option was trading around 80 rupees at the highest point. I think closing basis, it should be 70, 75 rupees. So that is the kind of bullishness now. And because the markets are like, it's rallying non-stop. So anyway, after tomorrow's expiry, we will discuss about July series and outlook and this and that. So today, as I told you, the significant thing is that, number one, Nifty closed above 25,200 because from May 12 until yesterday, Nifty was trading between 24,500 and 25,200. Never closed above 25,200 or never closed below 24,500. So today is the first time Nifty closed above 25,200. So that is considered to be a very bullish sign. Second thing, look at the India VIX. India VIX has fallen 5% today. Now the India VIX is below 13. So that's really very low VIX. However, a caution, when the VIX is very low, it is not a good time to sell options. You want to do some trading. I think, something like a put calendar, call ratio, put ratio, like that, So do some strategies with a combination of buy and sell. When the VIX is very low, you sell the option. Then if the VIX shoots up, then you will be in trouble. So Nifty closed about 25,200 for the first time. India VIX closed at the lowest level in the last few months, and India VIX has fallen 5%. And if you can remember a few days before, I said the Bank Nifty has outperformed, and the next IT stocks will have to join the rally. Reliance Industries, banks, IT, and then followed by FMCG and auto. Auto stocks, I've not been a bullish guy about autos because of taxation, GST, petrol prices, and this and that. So, but anyway, stock market is a different story. So today, the best performing index is the IT index. So banks are doing well, IT is doing well. So next in line will be FMCG, then auto, and then probably, who knows, if the corporate results are good in July. July series is a 5-week series with the corporate results. If corporate results are good, if the global markets are good, who knows, by July itself, we can scale back to all-time high. So anyway, that we will see later. So now, tomorrow, expiry, the premiums are very good. 25,500 call is trading around 10 rupees. And then 24,900 also trading around 10 rupees. So, like smart people are selling both call and put 10 rupees, so tomorrow they make some profit. So anyway, now, what I always say, if there is a resistance, if that resistance is crossed decisively, then that resistance becomes support for the next leg. So 25,200 has been the resistance, and intraday 2-3 times it crossed, but it fell. But today decisively it closed about 25,200. So therefore logically 25,200 should become the support for the next leg. So for tomorrow, I'm expecting Nifty to close between 25,200 and 25,400. So that is the view. But anyway, from now tomorrow morning, any number of things can change. So tomorrow morning we will discuss more about it. So now, after a stressful, actually today is not a very stressful. Yesterday was a stressful day, but today was not that stressful because it was relatively stable and calm, right? So it is time to enjoy. I'm going out for dinner. So tomorrow morning we will see the remaining things after the US markets. But European markets are looking good. US markets, they are almost, I think NASDAQ has taken out all-time high already. If not, it's very, very close. At least I can say future took the all-time high. Spot may not be there. So it's a sooner or later, all-time high will be taken out in US markets. So everything is looking bullish. So it is time to be bullish. So remaining things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.